Playing sports is a fantastic way to improve your physical health and your mental well-being. Most experts agree that regular exercise is necessary because it keeps your heart healthy and makes your muscles much stronger. Many people join a local sports club because they want to meet new people and have fun at the same time. Whether you prefer playing in a team or exercising alone, staying active helps you feel more energetic during the day. There are many popular team sports that require good communication and cooperation. For instance, in football and basketball, players must work together to move the ball and score points. However, if you prefer a quieter environment, you might enjoy individual sports like swimming or long-distance running. Swimming is especially beneficial because it uses almost every muscle in your body without putting too much pressure on your joints. In addition to physical strength, sport is excellent for your brain. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals that make you feel happy and relaxed. This is why many people go for a run or visit the gym after a stressful day at work or school. Furthermore, people who exercise regularly often find that they can concentrate better and sleep more deeply at night. Before you begin any physical activity, it is essential to have the correct equipment. You should always wear comfortable sportswear and high-quality trainers to protect your feet. It is also a good idea to warm up your muscles for 5 or 10 minutes to avoid injuries. This can be done with light stretches to prepare your body in advance. During the training or practice, remember to drink plenty of water so you stay hydrated. Sport is not just about winning or losing. It is about staying healthy and enjoying the movement of your body. As well as that, there are wonderful benefits to participating in sports that are outdoors, or in sports that require a team effort.